Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson algebraic identities. Today we will discuss about the identity phi. It is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X plus a into x plus b. See, first terms are same, but the second terms are different, isn't it? First terms in both it is a x, but the second term here it is a, here it is b. Then the answer will be x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab, means a into b. Is it clear? Now find the product of, coming to the examples, first subdivision x plus 3, x plus 4. Already it is written, I am not writing it again. Okay. So what is the identity? What is the answer? X square. So first you write x is equal to x, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. So this you write it on the right hand side. Now x square means what? X, isn't it? So x square plus a plus b, bracket open, a is 3 plus b is 4 into x. We are not putting the sign into because there is a bracket, plus bracket open, a into b, a is 3 into b is 4. So you will be getting the answer x square plus 3 plus 4 is 7, x plus 3 4s are, it is 12. This is the answer. Now coming to the second question. Here there is minus. So how will you write? X is equal to, first term is p. A is equal to, second term of the first expression is 6 plus 6. So no need of putting the sign plus. But b is equal to minus 3. So if the sign is minus, you have to take it into account. Okay. So x square, so x is p square plus bracket open, a plus b, 6 plus minus 3. Plus of minus is minus, isn't it? So directly we can write 6 minus 3 and x is p plus bracket open, a is 6 into b is minus 3. सबको ये समझ में आया? इधर हम 6 माइनस 3 क्यों डाले? इधर a प्लस b है, लेकिन a पॉजिटिव है, b नेगेटिव है. सो प्लस ऑफ माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल बी माइनस ओनली, इजंट इट? सो जब भी आप लोग लिखते हो 6 प्लस माइनस 3 ऐसे लिखेंगे तो ओवरऑल आएगा 6 माइनस 3, isn't it? So that is why we are writing it directly. अभी p squared plus 6 minus 3 is 3p. अभी साइन मत डालो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डिफरेंट साइंस मीन्स इट इज माइनस 6 3s are 18. Is it okay? Now coming to the third sum, x is equal to, first term is y. Now a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to plus 2. Now x square, that is y square plus bracket open a plus b. A is minus 5 plus 2 bracket close x, that is y, plus bracket open a minus 5 into b into 2. ठीक है. Now this is y square. Now don't put the sign. Minus 5 plus 2. Integers, when the signs are different, you have to look for the difference. मतलब subtract करने का. बड़ा नंबर का साइन क्या है? माइनस. सो माइनस 5 minus 2 is 3y. अभी साइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अलग अलग साइन है तो माइनस 5 2s are 10. So you got y squared minus 3y minus 10. Now coming to the fourth sum, here x is equal to, first term is z. Now a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. Now put the values. X square, that is z square, plus bracket open a plus b, minus 1 plus minus 2 means minus 2 x, that is z, plus bracket open a into b, minus 2. Now z square minus minus, same signs you have to add and put the sign, that means minus 3z. In multiplication, same sign, answer will be positive. 1 2s are 2. So you got z square minus 3z plus 2. Hope you understood this. Example 10. Here both are positive, a and b. Here a is positive, b is negative. Here a is negative, b is positive. And in the fourth, both a and b are negative. So remember only one like this with the plus sign and put the values. माइनस है तो माइनस डालो. ठीक है. और आगे सेम. सो साइड में ये लिखे लेने का और वैल्यूज डाल के उसको सॉल्व करते जाने का. नाउ कमिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल 11. Evaluate the following by using the identity x plus a, x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x into plus ab. Plus ab. Now the numbers are given 103 and 105. You know, first term is same, isn't it? So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 105 can be written as 100 plus 5, isn't it? Now, is it in this form? Yes. 100, 100, that is x, same. A is 3 and B is 5. They are different. So, this is the fifth identity. So, right side you write x is equal to, first term is 100. A is equal to, here it is 3, B is equal to 5. Now, put the values. X square, that is 100 square, plus A plus B. A is 3 plus B is 5, bracket close, into x, that is 100 plus bracket open A into B, 3 into 5. Now 100 square, already you know we have discussed, isn't it? So 2 zeros, we have to put 4 zeros, plus here there is multiplication. So bracket open, 3 plus 5 is 8, into 100 plus 3 5s are 15. Now it is 10,000 plus 800 plus 15. That means in the ones place it is 5, tens place 1, hundreds place 8, thousands place 0, 10,000s place 1. So the answer is 10,815. Is it clear? That was example 11, question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2, it is 98 into 97. 98 into 97 can be written as how? 90 plus 8 and 90 plus 7. Or easy method is what? 100. 100 minus 2, 100 minus 3. Isn't it? For calculation 100, 10, 1000 ऐसे रहेगा तो easy है. तो इसके लिए ये वाला लेने का, ये भी ठीक है लेकिन कैलकुलेशन के लिए ये easy. So x is equal to 100, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 3. समझ में आ रहा है? अभी 100 the whole square, that is x squared, plus a plus b minus 2 minus 3 bracket close x, that is 100, plus bracket open a minus 2 into b minus 3. 100 square is 4 zeros, that is 10,000. Don't put the, okay, put plus. Now bracket open, minus 2 minus 3, same sign, you have to add, sign is minus, 2 plus 3, 5 into 100 plus bracket, no need, isn't it? Minus minus, it becomes plus. 2 3s are 6. Now 10,000, sign is minus, different signs. So 500s are 500 plus 6. Now 10,000 plus 6, it is 10,006 minus 500. The answer will be 6 minus 0, 6. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 means 10 minus 5, 5. Now here it will be 9. The answer is 9506. So here you have to be careful in subtraction. Okay. Now coming to the third sum, it is 102 into 96. So here first is 100 plus 2 and second will be 100 minus 96 means minus 4. Remember, first terms are same. Write x is equal to 100, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4. समझ में आ गया है ना सबको? 102 को 100 plus 2, 90 plus 6 लिखो मत. The first term same रहने का, 100 plus 2, 102. 100 minus 4, 96. Now put the values. X squared, that is 100 square, plus bracket open a plus b, 2 minus 4 into x, 100 plus ab, a is 2 into minus 4. Now 100 square is 10,000, that is 4 zeros. Now plus bracket open 2 minus 4, different sign, subtract, बड़ा नंबर minus 4 minus 2 2 into 100. इधर एक एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट डालना ज़रूरी है. अभी कितना आएगा? इट इज़ अ minus different signs, isn't it? Minus 2 4s are 8. Now 10,000 minus plus means minus multiplication में 200 200 minus 8. Negative ones you add together, that means 10,000 minus 200 minus 8, 208 है ना. नेगेटिव को ऐड करने के वक्त ये दोनों आएगा minus 208. Now 0 minus 8, that is 10 minus 8 is 2. Now here 9 is remaining, 9 minus 0, 9. Here 9 is there, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now here there will be 9. Answer is 9792. Is it okay? Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to the last sum, 78 and 83. अभी एडिशन वाला पहले ले लो 83, that is 80 plus 3. 78 can be written as 80 minus 2. So this is x plus x plus x plus a, x plus b. इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो भी सेम है ना. So either a is minus 2, b is plus 3. समझ में आया? तो पहले का नेगेटिव में आया, सेकेंड का पॉजिटिव. So x is equal to 80, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to plus 3. तो ये स्प्लिट करने के वक्त हमेशा एडिशन वाला पहले सोचो और तभी इजी पड़ता है ना. ओके, नाउ इट इज अ x, that is 80 स्क्वायर. इधर 100 का हम नहीं सोच सकते हैं, नियरेस्ट इज 80. ओके, प्लस a plus b, a is minus 2 plus b plus 3, x is 80 plus a into b, minus 2 into 3. Now 80 square, 8 square is 64, 1 0, you have to put 2 zeros, plus bracket open, minus plus, opposite signs, the difference मतलब subtraction, बड़ा नंबर प्लस, और 3 minus 2 is 1 into 80 plus bracket open plus minus multiplication में minus 2 3s are 6. So it will be 6400 plus 180s are 80 minus 6. So add the positive ones. Ones place 0, 8, 4, 6 minus 6. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it will be 7. Here 4. Here 6. So answer is 6474. Hope you understood the examples. both example 10 and 11 of identity phi. Bye. Thank you.